Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today I'm going for a drive in this 2026 INFINITI QX80 Sport. So the QX80 Sport is the newest trim level in the QX80 lineup for 2026, and I really like the new QX80. Whenever it came out last year, I was very impressed with it. I think it's a fantastic luxury SUV. It looks phenomenal, and it's has a lot of great features and everything like that. You have the awesome Klipsch reference Premier sound system with the awesome speaker grills in the headrest. They look amazing, and the Sport has the blue interior. I noticed that the Sport in the QX60 for 2026 also has a blue interior, so I wonder if that's just only like all Sport models have this blue interior. You have some really nice wood trim, big leather steering wheel on the Autograph and the Sensory, plus the Sport. You have like the leather horn pad and everything too. Really nice materials. The seats feel very, very comfortable. And you also have, this is one on massage seats. I don't think this one has a massage seats, but you do have heated and ventilated seats. So 2026 INFINITI QX80 Sport 4-wheel drive, 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo, 450 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission and paddle shifters. INFINITI all-mode 4-wheel drive, electric air suspension, and you have a lot of Sport exterior elements on this car, which we'll look at in a second. The Sport exterior package is $1,060, $1,060, and the total price on this car is $107,370. 17 miles per gallon, 16 city, 19 highway. You have a 360-degree camera system with really nice camera resolution and dynamic guidelines. You have the little button shifter. You can also raise and lower the air suspension. You have heated steering wheel. Drive modes are over here. I'm going to put it in the Sport mode while we drive. You have a wireless charging tray over here. I like the placement of this charging tray. You can cover it or close it if you don't want to look at your phone. Also have a pretty big center console. Here's the INFINITI key fob with remote start. This key fob was introduced with the QX80 last year. And I also like this little pass-through floating center console, so you can fit your stuff down there. But let's walk around this car and see what it looks like. Or before that, I want to open the sunroof or sunshade. Big panoramic sunshade. This is the white exterior. Looks really good with the black wheels on the Sport, and you also have the black accents throughout. You have a black grille with like a cross pattern, and I love the daytime running lights. The QX80 really looks really nice, and you also have a front lip on the Sport. You also get that on the QX60, and similar wheels on the QX60 Sport as well. You have captain's chairs for the rear passengers. Again, very comfortable seats, great leg room. I'm 6'2", and I can fit back here very comfortably and relax. You can also recline the seats with power controls. That's pretty impressive. Also have 2 cup holders and a little place to charge your phone with 2 USB-C charging ports. Heated and ventilated rear seats. That's not something you see all that often. And even the third row is very spacious in this car. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adults very comfortably in this car. The back of the car looks awesome too. QX80S badge on the back, 4-wheel drive badge. And here's the trunk with the third row up. Space is definitely a little bit limited when you have the third row up, but at least you have that little shelf to put some stuff on there. I just love the way this SUV looks. It's very, very nice. Like, if I was looking for a big 3-row SUV, I would definitely strongly consider this car. Like, this Sport trim looks awesome. Look at this thing. I love it. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. I think Infiniti did a great job with this QX80. Yeah, like if I was getting QX80 considering the sport trim, this would be the one I'd get. I just love the way it looks. Or I'd get the autograph, but honestly this has everything I would need. I don't think the massage seats are a necessity, and you have the same clip sound system, and I love the blue interior. And honestly, for the rear passengers, like in the autograph, you get massaging and everything, but I don't think I would necessarily need that. I think this sport trim would do the job for me. It's pretty quick, and I really like the way this engine sounds in this car. I think it sounds very nice, and the transmission shifts well too. It's a 9-speed automatic transmission. I like that twin turbo V6 sound, and the driving dynamics, and the way the engine responds. Nice. And this car is very smooth and comfortable to drive. I just love the giant steering wheel, and I love the road presence this vehicle has with how big of the vehicle is, and also like all the styling elements like the giant grille and the daytime running lights and everything like that. It's quite nice. Seats are inspired by like zero gravity design. They're made in a way where it'll give comfort to all of your whole body and keep you very cocooned in the seat, and it definitely feels that way. It feels really, really nice. I have really good lateral support, lumbar support, and I feel really secure in the seat, which is good. The drive is great. It's really nice. It's so quiet in here too. It's so quiet. If you're looking for a big three-row SUV, definitely put the QX80 on your list. I think it's a really, really nice vehicle, and it's really unique. I don't really see a whole lot of these. So if you want something that's kind of exclusive that you're not going to see a lot of, this is definitely the car to get. Like, look at this acceleration. It's so seamless. It's like so easy, you know? Let's check out the backup camera again and back into the spot before we conclude the video. Overall, very nice 2026 INFINITI QX80 Sport. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infinity in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own QX80.